So this is where Trump's position begins to narrow. The United States is not a party to the International Criminal Court. We know that, of course. That non-membership has long functioned as insulation, not because it removes law, but because it allows enforcement to be selective without saying so. That insulation weakened the moment territorial jurisdiction logic was accepted in cases involving non-member nationals acting on the territory of an ICC-recognised state. This is how Benjamin Netanyahu has an arrest warrant on his head, is it not? Palestine is an ICC member state, even though Israel isn't. Therefore, the same logic surely applies here too as well. Venezuela is a party to the Rome Statute, even if the US is not. Now, that fact does not produce an arrest. It doesn't produce an arrest warrant even. It produces a contradiction, and it's certainly one I dare say the ICC will have to face before very much longer. But once territorial jurisdiction has been accepted as sufficient in one politically sensitive context, it can't be denied elsewhere without advertising politics as law. Trump has placed himself inside that logic here. By asserting that US forces operated on Venezuelan territory and by naming the outcome, he's activated the same jurisdictional frame the system has already relied on in the case of Benjamin Netanyahu and former Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant in order to issue those arrest warrants. So let's hope the ICC can see the consistency, though of course somebody does need to bring the case before them. But Trump appears to assume that the delay favours him. It often does when there's some ambiguity remaining about something.